stage on his notes. Where is it? What would the special power of our manager be?
Force overtime!
Force overtime!
Okay, guys! Okay, I got the email. We made it! Oh my God! There's a combination! We did!
Ano meron?
Yo, anong oras ka ba uuwi?
Ba't ka naman sumunod hanggang dorm?
Kasi, 3 linggo na hindi ka pa umuwi. Wala nang nag-aasikaso ng mga manok.
Diba ma, sinabi ko sa'yo, ayoko nang mag-alaga ng manok. Sawang-sawa na ako dun sa mga patukang yan.
At anong ibebenta kong itlog kung wala tayong manok?
O Jerwin, ano yung binigay sa'yo ng nanay mo?
Wala, mga labada lang.
Dinala niya? Kalaghan mo dito?
Okay, emergency meeting.
Ernie. Oh, uy.
Ano yan?
Ernie. Uy ka na? Mary!
Our parents, they made us choose. They made us choose who will stay. Will it be my sister or myself?
And you stayed.
Because I'm the star. I mean, nabali na ata yung pa ako.
Ay! Walang masasayaw sa compet!
Eh, ilang weeks na lang, hindi ko maalala.
Oo, ako.
Oo nga eh. Ilang weeks na lang ba? 3 weeks yata.
Oh my God. 1 month!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Rino! Wait, Barry, wala ba kayong connections? Can you get like a private room?
Alam nyo, yan ang hirap sa inyo eh. I'm your friend when you need our wealth.
So sorry guys, I don't think this will be healed in 1 month.
Ay mo lang!
Oo nga.
Can go. I don't call my sister abroad. Maybe she can fly. Baka she can go.
Bata niyo naman, boys.
Sabi ko kay...
Jerwin.
Buti na lang, okay lang sa kumari namin na nanay ni Jerwin. Oo nga, actually, Mars, that's very good. I'm so glad our son is, like, you know.
So, alis ka na, di ba? Huwag umalis ka na.
Yan.
Naman kayong ganyan.
Alis ka na rin?
Hindi.
Hi, I'm Jeff from Galauco Dance Theater. We just finished day 1 of the Manila Improv Fest and it was so much fun. You have to come and see the rest of the shows here at Proscenium Rockwell. I'll see you there. Bye!